I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting at the reader. First, unmount or safely eject the SD card in your operating system so data isn't corrupted. Once done, power down the host if the reader is internal. Make sure you know which way the card faces by checking the icon or notch. Ground yourself by touching a metal surface or use an anti-static wrist strap to avoid static damage. Now position your fingers to access the card edge and prepare to engage the release mechanism carefully. You'll now actuate the release. If the reader uses a push-push latch, press in until it clicks and the card pops out slightly, then pull straight out. For spring-loaded tabs, depress the tab with your fingertip and slide the card free along the slot's axis. While doing this, support the reader or device to prevent flexing the PCB or contacts. Be deliberate and steady. Avoid twisting, angled pulls, or excessive force because those motions can deform the card or damage the connector. You've removed the card. Now inspect the gold contacts for dirt or smudges, and if needed, wipe gently with a dry, lint-free cloth. Do not use liquids. If the card won't release, power down and try a plastic spudger or plastic tweezers to avoid shorts. Never force metal tools into the slot. If the host fails to recognize the card after reseating, test it in a different reader to isolate whether the card or reader is at fault, and then consider data recovery or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.